Good morning and welcome you all, the students and honorable teachers, to our mock parliament session, our monsoon session of 2022. Our principal Dada has given us a very good privilege to create a mock parliament over here. And so that we, as a responsible citizen of India, we know how our country is run by the government and what is the role of the opposition, actually what happens in the parliament. And so our very efficient students, they have prepared themselves very hard, and then they are going to present a mock parliament in front of you all. So this is a mock parliament, and also this is a very good show. You will enjoy a lot and you will gather a good amount of knowledge. আমাদের প্রিন্সিপাল দাদা আমাদের এই সুযোগটাকে করে দিয়েছেন, খুব সুন্দর একটা সুযোগ। সিরিজটি কারিকুলামে মক পার্লামেন্ট, যেটা আমাদের একটা অদ্ভুত আমরা সিদ্ধান্ত গ্রহণের চেষ্টা করার জন্য তার একটা পদ্ধতি আছে, সেই পদ্ধতিগুলো আজকে আমরা সবাই মিলে আরো একটু ডিটেইলসে জানব।
Today date 12 August 2022 in the Parliament. We are going to start our monsoon season 2022 in the Parliament. Very shortly we are going to start the questions hour. I request all the MPs please mention the behavior and research manner, so that the proceeding of the Parliament become smoothly and disciplined. So let the session is beginning now. Now okay, opposition wants to say something, they are allowed to do so. Minister, now if the wants to say anything, please discuss.
The Prime Minister of India, I am gladly want to inform everyone that India economy is in healthy condition, which is found in IMF, International Monetary Fund, which is a great achievement for India. Now I want to inform all that there is no GST on finance, crematoriums and mortuarium services. No GST on loose edible items, so that the common people don't face any problem. The GST is only on packaging, which is used by the people of elite society. There is no GST on ice cream, emergency services and room rent below ₹5,000. Now that's all. Thank you.
Wants to your points.
I have a question to Honorable Finance Minister. That's why GST is increasing.
Honorable MP, I gladly want to inform you that India's economy is in a healthy condition, and as told by our Prime Minister. And I also add some points that there is reduce in GST in first transport of goods and roadways from 18% to 5%, renting of trucks for goods carriage from 18% to 12%, medical appliances like the ophthalmic appliances from 12% to 5%, orthopedic appliances from 12% to 5%. Our government has also taken care of the common people. For this we have spent ₹24.85 lakh crore for the development of common people of the country. And if we compare, the previous government spent only ₹13.9 lakh crore for this purpose. To increase the GST to a minimum amount, which is necessary for the development and to remain our country's economy stable. So, I strongly protest the opposition for politicizing the debate about about GST. I like to inform honorable opposition that this question is baseless. I think she has not paid her attention when Honorable Prime Minister and I were saying about this. So I repeat for your kind information that there is no GST on loose items which can cause problem to the common people of India. There is only GST, that is also minimum in the in the packaged food items which is used by elite people of the society. And if you talk about increasing the tax, then I say a thing. Honorable Speaker, please answer me that opposition leader, please answer me that if we do not increase the tax, then how can we run the government and how can we make our country's economy stable? So for all these developments, government depends on the minimum tax. So don't ask such baseless questions and waste the valuable time of Honorable Speaker and the government.
This is question for Honorable Health Minister. Why are the price of medicine are increasing day by day?
Namaskar to everyone. The price of medicine is increasing day by day because transporting of raw materials from another country costs so much money. In the war of Russia and Ukraine, it is impossible to transport medicines, so we are making our own medicine with natural raw materials. So that's why the medicine price increasing day by day.
Good morning. I am MP from New University Group. My question is for Honorable Defence Minister. I asked to Defence Minister, why defence system does not employ more people in army?
Defence Minister of India. Every year, our defence department employ in the army, navy, and air force. Along with this, the government also start Agni Prakalpa, where show a massive number of youth is recruited in the army.
I am MP from University Group. I have a question to
Could you speak a little bit louder, please, Mr.
our Honorable Railway Minister. My question is, why is the railway tickets price increasing day by day?
There are mainly two types of fare structure. On ordinary applicable to slow moving passenger train which stop at every station and mostly used by villagers, and another are express used by applicable to normal main express train. They stop at limited number of stations. In their case, a superfast train is added over and above mail and express fare. The train are fully air conditioned and even food is included in the fare. Their fare is higher than the of super fast train. One of things that railway is continuously increasing facilities for passengers during their travel in the last 5 years. The tax is being made to diffuse the impact of fuel imports under pressure from the peak in global oil price.
Opposition, are you satisfied the answer of Railway Minister?
No buzzing.
Opposition, are you satisfied the Railway Minister?
The speaker is asking that he is opposition satisfied with the answer of.
Other groups do ask any questions. So, ask them.
Slowly,
Good morning,
slowly.
everyone. I am MP from Jammu Group. I have a question to our Honorable Transport Minister that why does bus fare increase day by day?
Namaskar to everyone and our Honorable Speaker.
Loudly, please.
Government is increasing the number of buses to meet the daily needs of buses for transport. But still, we are bound to increase the minimum fare of buses because the price of petrol and diesel is increasing. As the price of these fuels increase in world market, so the price in our country also increase for fuel.
Are you satisfied the answer of Transport Minister? Opposition, another.
There is no debate. Kamal hai yaar.
I am MP from New English Group. My question is for respected
Loudly,
Power
please.
Minister. I want to ask the Power Minister why the price of electricity is increasing so much.
Loudly, please.
Namaskar to everyone. I am God.
Loudly, please.
Please loudly speak.
I am requesting Honorable Speaker to ask.
Honorable Speaker, may I answer these questions?
Yes, of course.
In India, the economical recovery and related increase in energy demand
Please loud your answers. Please speak
are
loud.
causing a coal shortage. Indian domestic coal mining, which account for 80% of the place with demand and higher international prices, are making import economical power plants that rely on imported coal have sold or even halted operations, and some plants that rely on domestic coal
Please,
are starting to run out.
Please, your answer is speak slowly.
Besides government's effort to address the shortage, several India states have suffered serious power shortage in recent years, affecting the both residential and industrial customers.
Then opposition wants to ask any question.
Namaskar to all. I am from Anandam Group. I have a question to our Honorable Education Minister that why is our tuition fees increasing day by day?
Yes, of course, you.
I want to inform Honorable MP that a rise in tuition fee making higher education itself more valuable, combined with the reduced number of students that will attend university owing to the increase will make a degree a more valuable and sought after qualification.
Now you have to look at that MP, particular MP who is asking.
This answer. Then another opposition wants to ask any question. Now oppositions, are you satisfied the answer?
Yes.
Okay, I ask Mr. Honorable Speaker to allow common public to question something. Somebody is raising their hand. Will you allow him to question?
Yes, say your question.
Question for Food Minister.
Loudly, please.
Why is the cost of essential commodities increasing?
Then you say give them answer.
No, we can't hear you.
This question is all good.
Okay. Loudly, please.
Yes, you can.
May I?
Yes.
Honorable MPs, I am very pleased to inform you all that India is self-sufficient in the production of food. Nowadays, farming has increased to a great extent in India, which is a great achievement for India. I also want to inform everyone that there is no shortage of food in India. India is self-sufficient. Still, if any natural calamity occurs, then the government obviously provides free food to the common people. For example, during the COVID period, the government had provided free food stuffs to the people. Also, whenever farmers need agricultural implement or HYV, that is high yielding variety seeds, the government provides subsidy to them. Now, we are also doing organic farming of thinking of the health of the common people of India, which is also expensive. So to provide all these facilities to the common people of India, the government has no other option than increasing the price. But still, the price increases in a minimum amount. Thank you.
Why we cannot get high quality of food items?
Honorable public, I say to you that we are providing HYV seeds to the farmers and also giving subsidy to them for buying those seeds. So, I think that all the common people of India will very soon get high quality of food.
I have the question for Honorable Health Minister.
One by one, please. Speaker, go one by one.
Please say one by one.
I have question for Honorable Health Minister.
Okay.
Why do you emergency patient have to wait longer in the government hospital?
Waste time, more emergency patient come, so it is hard to maintain them. So much patient, so they have to wait longer in government hospital.
Good morning to all. I have a question to our Honorable Home Minister. That's why bomb blast and terror activities is increased.
Minister, I can say this answer. Yes. You are looking that the bomb blast and terrorist activities are increased day by day because we have taken some sequence. I had discussed with the Defense Minister that some common people are appointed of CBI, CID and IB to the control the bomb blast, and then we will decrease the bomb blast and terrorist activities.
As per your statistics, the terror attacks and bomb blasts have reduced than the period of the early government. But still the terror acts are going on. If your home department is so strong, then why still the activities are going on?
Madam Minister.
Speaker, may I answer this question? Honorable MP, we are putting pressure. Honorable MP, we are putting pressure to the international organization and by the evidences also. And the international organization is also putting pressure on our neighboring countries, which are accused for the terrorist attacks. So we will soon reduce the terrorists. And also it has been reduced, you people can see. So we will also reduce more and we will try to make zero terrorist attacks.
Good morning. My name is Anam Kauri. I am group of Baptist. This is my question to the Honorable Food Minister. Why the price of each food ingredients are increased day by day?
This question is also give them answer. Already give them answer. So please you sit in your place.
I have a question to our honorable health minister. That why do we not get sufficient medicine in free counters of government hospital?
Namaskar to everyone. We don't get sufficient medicine because in the pandemic situation like coronavirus, give free vaccines and another medicine. If we give free medicines to all, if any pandemic situation came, we don't have sufficient medicine to give all.
I have a question to our Honorable Defense Minister that why do not they manufacture sufficient gun and many other weapons and bulletproof jacket?
Who say defense minister, this defense system do not manufacture sufficient gun? This is a totally wrong allegation. Because our armed factory manufacturing sufficient ultra-modern warfare equipment for our army and our stock are well maintained. We have increased our defense budget. Bulletproof jacket. Our all Indian army is body covered by bulletproof jacket. So why you say defense system do not manufacture bulletproof jacket?
So how the terrorists are coming in our country?
पहले जब हमारे देश में टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटी होता था उसके मुकाबले अभी हम जब आए हमारे देश के डिफेंस सिस्टम में तो पहले से बहुत वो चीज कम गई है और कश्मीर लद्दाख ये जैसी जगह पे अरुणाचल बॉर्डर कोस्टल एरियाज बहुत शांति है उस जगह में बहुत शांति है
We've seen the borders.
And all border will fill the border. And our Indian army try hard to stop the terrorist attack.
Are you satisfied in this answer?
Yes, then clap.
Okay, our season is going very smoothly. So now if the ministers wants to say any question,
Our defense system try hard, manufacture lot of weapons, arm rifles, bulletproof jacket, tank,
Slowly, please.
rocket projectile, grenade, explosive, and other weapons. I know this is my responsibility. Our ISRO has launched several satellites to keep vigilance, border, and coastal area. Already say our armed factory should make lots of weapons and improve them. And we are developing and increase our military power and try catch terrorist activity, terrorist arm and their secret plan. Our defense system start the Ognivir Prakalpa and employ more and more youth army, generating employment.
Okay.
all the oppositions are satisfied this answer. Now if the opposition wants to say something, they may say. So the opposition no answer any question. So we are singing our national anthem. So thank you all of the members and cabinet minister and oppositions are going to very smoothly our seasons. So our monsoon season sits and over here. So we are singing to national anthem.
Loudly, please.
हम लोग वो पॉसिबल है बुलेट ट्रेन चलाना इंडिया में हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं और ट्रैक बिछा रहे हैं और 1-2 साल में वो कंप्लीटेड हो जाएगा.
Adjustment of rails passengers. I show you that we are increasing the number of trains and also adding the bogies to the trains for the adjustment of more and more people in a train.
Namaskar. Our parliamentary session, our monsoon session has gone very well. Whatever we taught to the students, they have delivered much better than whatever we taught to the students, and this session has been an extreme success. I I wish that our principal Dada will guide us again and give us the chance again to kind of activities more and more, so that the standard and the education level and the IQ level of our students of this prestigious organization, Anando Margo School, Durlapur Binakari, that will heighten their standards more and more and keep and come up with the first row of the schools of India. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, the students.